What's up everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video you are going to see how to change language in Duolingo app. So make sure to watch the video till the end and don't skip any part. And head over to your Duolingo application. And then as you can see I am in the Duolingo music section. And go to this option, and here you can see I have already chosen a few courses: math, music, a German language course, and a French course. So if I want to change my language, like just head over to your German language section and then go to there again. And suppose you want to just start a new course or with a new language, then just click on the plus icon of the course section. And then here goes the several options of new courses. As I have already added my music and math course, and there goes the tons of options of languages from which you can just choose. And once you choose, you can click on continue, and then that specific language will just selected for your Duolingo. And yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next one.